Training company contact and user individual section. Each time we print, we can send an email instead. The attachment with the email. Email are personalized to recipient and sender. Recipient is defined into company contact, and you can have several for main accounting shipping. Sender is defined by user, related individual. Email templates are defined into list, company, email template, and they can include personalized field that you can copy from the tag list here. Just have to copy paste the tag. When you create a new one, you have to define for which document, what language, country, and currency. If you print a single document, you'll be able to change the template, adding, removing text. If you print a batch, a pending email will be added to the document, note and attachment, and same document will be attached to the company. To send pending email, you go in company, save set pending email, search, emailing function, sending. If you have an error, the first of the list will be the problem. You can select the pending and delete it. You can also delete pending email from different section. In batch, remove pending email. And for account statement, you do it from company, removing pending email.